Today we will study what is chemical reaction and what is the importance of a chemical reaction in our daily life. Now the question arises how we are forming the reaction. As we know that when a chemical change occurs, a chemical action or the reaction is said to have taken place. A chemical change or the chemical action is represented by a chemical equation. The matter undergoing change is known as reactant and the new chemical component which is formed is known as product. For example, as we know that when CaCO3 undergoes the decomposition, it forms CaO plus CO2. Here, CaCO3 is referred to as reactant and the CaO and the CO2, that is the new substance which is formed, is referred to as product. This is known as chemical reaction. Now we are dealing with the different types of chemical reaction in our daily life. First one is a combination reaction. Second one is decomposition reaction. Third one is displacement reaction. Fourth one is a redox reaction. Now, firstly we'll study what is combination reaction. Combination reaction is also referred to as an addition reaction. It is also known as synthesis reaction. Let us focus on to an example. For example, if we have a two substance A plus B, it combines together to form a new product C. A and B here are reactant and the new substance which is formed is referred to as product. Now A and B both can be a element or we can say a molecule of an element. A can be a element plus B can be a compound, or we can say both A and B are compounds. Now what we have studied over here, when the two elements combine, they form new product. When one element in one compound combine, then also it forms a new product. When the two compound combines, then also it forms a new product. That means these three different combinations are termed as addition reaction. Now the question arises, what is the difference between the addition and the synthesis reaction? When two elements combine with each other, then the product is formed. Such type of reaction is referred to as a synthesis reaction. It can be an addition also. That means when element plus element combine, it can be a synthesis reaction also, and it can be addition reaction also, and it can be a combination reaction. But when element plus compound combines to form a new product, in this case, it can only be an addition reaction or a combination reaction. But it cannot be a synthesis reaction. When both compound plus compound combine, in this case also it is forming a new product. This is also an addition reaction and it is also a combination reaction, but it cannot be a synthesis reaction. Let us take an example when both element plus element combine. Mg plus O2, when it is heated, it forms MgO. What we have studied above, when both the element or either a molecule of element combine, it forms a new product. So this reaction can be termed as synthesis reaction. It can also be termed as addition reaction and it can also be termed as combination reaction. But when one element, that is Fe plus FeCl2, that is compound, and it forms a new product FeCl3, the reaction is referred to as an addition reaction or a combination reaction. When both the compounds, that is CaO plus CO2, combine together to form CaCO3, this is also an example of addition reaction or a combination reaction. So we'll wind up the reaction. Again we'll observe what we have seen. When both the elements combine, the reaction is referred to as a synthesis reaction, addition reaction as well as combination reaction. When one element in the compound combines to form a new product, the reaction is referred to as an addition reaction, combination reaction, but it is not a synthesis reaction. So we'll encircle it what it is not. Now, when both the compounds combine together to form a product, then a reaction is referred to as an addition reaction, combination reaction, but it is not a synthesis reaction. Now let's study another reaction. The second reaction is a decomposition reaction. Decomposition reaction is also referred to as an analysis reaction. It is opposite of combination reaction. Suppose we are having a substance C. This substance C breaks to form a two new substance, that is A plus B. A can either be an element. A and B both can be an element. It can element plus compound or both compound plus compound. The decomposition occurs in the presence of light, heat or electricity. That means for decomposition energy is required, and that energy can either be in a form of heat, light or electricity. Let us discuss by taking an example. First one will focus on to thermal decomposition. As the name suggests, thermal means heat, decomposition means breakdown. Breakdown of a substance in a presence of heat is known as thermal decomposition. Let us take an example. For example, KClO3. This is potassium chlorate. When we heat the potassium chlorate, we get KCl plus O2. Now, this is known as thermal decomposition. The second reaction is what? Photodecomposition. Photo means what? As the name suggests, photo means light and decomposition means what? Breakdown. That means breaking down of the substance in a presence of light is known as photodecomposition. AgCl in a presence of light get decomposed into Ag plus Cl2, or we can observe AgBr in the presence of light get decomposed into Ag plus Br2. Third one is electrolytic decomposition. Electrolytic decomposition means what? The one which is carried out in a presence of electric current. That is H2O. When an electric current is passed into the water, it gets decomposed into H2 plus O2. Now the question arises, as we have said, decomposition reaction is also termed as analysis reaction. Now what's the difference between analysis reaction and the decomposition reaction? As we have read right now, synthesis reaction is which type of reaction? In which two elements combine to form the new product. So in case of analysis reaction, when the substance decomposes to form two elements, then such type of reaction is referred to as an analysis reaction. It can also be referred as decomposition reaction, but when a substance decomposes to form element plus compound or compound plus compound, then such reaction is referred to as only a decomposition reaction.